Hi, welcome to 5334 Ethel in Brighton. Here's the front of the house. I want to show you the sides of this house here. And to the left, you see the neighbors. Nice quiet little neighborhood in Brighton. You're actually about 1.3 miles from downtown Brighton, so you can walk there if you like. About 25 minutes or so from Ann Arbor, or head towards East Lansing, or Flint, or Detroit. It's actually a perfect location. Here's the galley kitchen, and walking in you saw the fireplace there. There it is again. So it's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 936 square feet. Here's the first bedroom. Looking around, it's nice and bright. You got a closet here, the neighbor. Really nice, good sized room. Across that you have a closet. And going down the hallway, on the right you'll see this is actually the furnace and hot water tank. So you're probably not going to use this room too often. But across from it is actually another bedroom. More of an office size, with a window and a closet. So you can use it for maybe a kid or an office. Here's the closet. Now we're going to go to the third bedroom. It's more spacious. A couple windows in here. A view of the backyard. And here's the closet. The house is freshly painted, nice floors. There's some stuff that still needs to be done. You can see a little bit of the cabinet across there that needs to be put in. Here's another closet, linen closet you can use. Here's the bathroom, nicely remodeled. And the shower. The shower head's pretty tall, so if you're tall, it's perfect. Across from that, you'll actually see the washer and dryer stacked right there. The house is a ranch on a slab, so no up or no downstairs. Here's the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Here's the side entrance. So walking out the side entrance, there's a little storage area right here. You can utilize that. And you park right around here. And this is how you get to the backyard. It's about 90% fenced in. This is the area that's not fenced in. And the person that mows the lawn usually comes in this way. Here's the back of the house. The fencing in. There's a shed that you can use. Again, nice little neighborhood. What a perfect day. So here's the back of the house. And the fence kind of goes around and wraps around to the front. So if you have any interest in this house to rent, it's $1,900 a month. We are pet friendly. Give me a call, Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team. Thanks. Bye.